Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping fine by the grace of God. So students, today once again I am with you with social science, geography segment, the first chapter, resource and development. So students, you please open your notebook and you note down only 2 lines. Anything that can be used to satisfy our needs. Anything that can be used to satisfy our needs is called resource. You can say that is the definition of resource. So students, you have already heard that there are generally 2 resources. One is natural resource, another is human resource. But here in geography, we will study that there is one more resource, that is man-made resource. That I am going to teach you later on. But at present, you should know that what is natural resource. Natural resource means air, water, lake, river, soil, minerals. Those are natural resources. So natural resources, that means it is gift of nature and which is drawn from nature, or we are drawing it from nature, and for that we need not to pay. But one thing we have to keep in our mind, that utility should be there. This term utility, that means according to our need, then we can utilize these natural resources. So utility or usability, these are the main factors, or this is the main factor. So utility means whatever the quantity we need, we have to utilize it, we have to use it. That is called usability. We have to use it according to our requirement. As an example, that you are feeling hot during summer and you switch on the fan, and after you are feeling comfortable, after some time if you leave the room, once again you switch it off and you leave the room according to the requirement. That is called utility. So if you want to wash your hands, open the tap, you are washing your hand. When already you have washed your hands, then you turn off the tap. So that is called utility. Simple example. So one question can arise in our mind, that how does something become a resource? How does something become resource? Suppose you are a student, you are attending school regularly and your 100% attendance is there. You are following the teaching and lecture of your faculties. Regularly you are noting down the whatever the teacher he or she is giving you, the suggestions, and you are mentioning in your copy. Time to time copy correction is going on. But what is the output? Output means you are unable to respond. You are unable to respond. You are not responding. That means the output is not satisfactory. You are coming to school, you are attending school, you are writing all the notes, question answer, everything. Copies are checked by your faculty, but you cannot understand the chapter. You cannot understand, and in the examination also you have not scored good marks. That means the output is not satisfactory. But on the contrary, the same thing, the same practice is going on. You are attending school, 100% attendance or less attendance, noting down all the question answer, whatever your faculty or teacher is advising you, suggesting you according to her or his suggestion, you are doing everything and you have done good in your examination. So that means the value has come out. That is called value of energy. You are also investing your energy. Already you have invested your energy by studying, by memorizing your chapter, your lesson, and the teacher has also utilized his or her energy. He has also performed well in his or her field. You have also performed well in your own field, and the value has come. That is called value of energy. So that is the human resource. Human resource is teacher. He is teaching. He is implementing his brain and potential. You are grasping, you are following. That means his or her energy. You are also investing your energy. You are also giving your energy. But the value, the output is value. It is in the middle. Your value and the teacher's value. So there is also a term that is called economic value. This is only common value, economic value. What is economic value? Economic value is that you are a student, you are coming to school, you are paying attention towards the lectures of the teacher, all the teachers. You are memorizing, you are paying attention, regular study is going on, homework is going on, but for that you are not paid. Am I right? Because you are a student. So you are not paid. No salary is given to you. But the salary is paid to the teacher. He is or she is giving his or her energy whole month and he is paid for that. That means the economic value. He is getting the salary from his employer. Not in the case of teacher. Suppose bank employee, entire month he is coming, whatever he is possessing the rank, it is not the factor. He is a bank employee and he is coming regularly, and after 1 month, in the beginning of the month, he is paid for that. That is the value. That is the human resource. And the value is his energy, his skill, his potential, that is value, and for that he is paid. One more thing, that is called economic value. That means it is economic value. Currency is there, money is there, he is paid for that. Every sphere, every field, those are the employees. Any field, they are paid. That is the value and called economic value. On the contrary, if anybody is working since dawn till dusk at home, domestic work, he or she is also investing or giving his skill, energy, potential, but for that he is not paid. There is no economic value. It is consumed inside. So, you know very well, already you have heard the term income tax. So, there is a specific or fixed amount to pay the income tax, an amount that is fixed by the government. So, every year that employee or that individual, he or she has to pay income tax. But it depends on his or her income. I am not talking about the people, I am talking about the poor people. I am talking about the people whose wage or salary is good, and a fixed amount it is to be paid, or they have to pay to the income tax department, and that tax they have to pay as tax. So that tax that is utilized for nation, for country, that means the utility of money for the progress of the country. So that is utility also, and that is economic value. That is called economic value, that this individual's or this citizen's contribution towards the nation, that means he or she is supporting economically for the development of the nation, that is called economic value.